We're doing stuffed bell peppers. Already got the ground beef cooked with some onions. Add a little bit of chicken bouillon, some steak and chop seasoning, a little bit of paprika. Follow that up with some parsley flakes. And off camera, I added some ground black pepper. We got a can of rotel diced tomatoes. Put that in there. Go ahead and mix that all together. Make sure you got the oven preheated at 350. Get that all nice and mixed in. Go ahead and add you a cup of water. Mix that all together. Smells so good. Put that to the side for about 15 minutes on low. Now we're going to blanch these bell peppers, some boiling water for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Get them ready. Look at that ground beef. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to add a cup of cooked rice to that ground beef mixture. Go ahead and mix that all together. Get that all well incorporated. Now you can add some corn, some beans, but I chose not to. But you can add that if you like. Get that all well mixed in. Gonna put the lid on, let that sit for about 5 minutes. Now remember what I said, have that oven preheated at 350. Got that pan ready, add a little olive oil to it. Go ahead and place your bell peppers. I sliced mine in half, by the way. Place those in the pan. Get those all spreaded out. Now you already got everything mixed in, the rice and the ground beef mixture. So we're going to go ahead and start placing that into the bell peppers. Get that all placed in those bell peppers. I mean, I just want to eat the ground beef mixture right now by itself. Get that all mixed in. Place that all in them bell peppers. Oven already up to 350. There's no need to cover this with aluminum foil. There's no need to cover it up. We're going to bake this for 20-25 minutes at 350. Get all that mixture in them bell peppers. You can add red, yellow, orange, green, it don't matter. Add that shredded cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Get that cheese all spread it over. Look at that. Get that in the oven. 25 minutes later, voila. Stuffed bell peppers. Yes. Y'all let me know what y'all would like for me to make next. Appreciate you very much. Thank you.